presenting the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: tow hooks, 4-wheel drive, power steering, steel wheels, automatic headlights, MP3 player, satellite radio, split bench seat, vinyl seats and adjustable steering wheel. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.